Hi, I'm Helen Kenniff and I'm a product specialist with our digital signage team here at Clevertouch Technologies. Today I want to talk to you about what you can do with our ClevertouchLive platform for the enterprise sector. You'll see behind me here I have a very interesting screen. It's got YouTube streaming live from the Metis Aerospace website. We've also got a QR code, an RSS feed, obviously the logo and the time. It's very simple and it's very poignant because it's what you see when you walk into an environment like a reception area. But what we can also do is we have the ability to send instant messages to our screens, and that's using a mobile device. The idea behind that is that you don't have to log on to any other platform. You simply have an open browser, and then if you see an emergency that you need to notify people about, you can press a button that will simultaneously change all the screens that are connected to the account. Once that emergency is over, you can then cancel that emergency and it goes back to what it was playing before. Just one of the special little things that you can do with ClevertouchLive technology.